All the equipment I've ever used from Intermec is bulletproof. It really is industrial grade. It works in some pretty rough environments. You know, we work in a variable heat and humidity environment in all of our production operations. And my experience has been if you want to go with a system that you can count on to be there day after day after day, it's Intermec. I find that once you find a system that you can rely on, it's much easier to have a single source manufacturer versus trying to integrate pieces, especially pieces that have to communicate with one another. We're working with a very committed labor force that don't necessarily have a lot of technology background, and it's been easy. I've not had pushback resistance and stage failures that can happen in an application like this. The print speed is more than adequate to keep up with the volume of labels that we need to print. The consistency of print, the readability, and the speed are all more than sufficient for our needs here. And we will process up to 1,200 packages an hour. We always look at simple as being the best solution, and all you need is a small area on a desktop or a rolling cart and a place to plug it in to make this system functional. The system was initially installed in our Exeter facility about 10 miles away. We closed that operation as we're winding down our season and just in one day moved everything over here. We're up and running. So it's that easy. And if you just go back to the basic cost structure of installing a network system, in most applications you've got to hardwire a system in, you've got to have a separate PC to run it. With the smart printers, because all of your information is driven off of the drive inside that printer, it's just a matter of updating and downloading, and you plug it in anywhere. It doesn't have to be hooked to a computer interface. Just the ease of use and being able to move it anywhere in your operation that you need it makes it so simple. You don't have all the additional maintenance costs, and so as a business decision, it's a very cost-effective way to go.